My hair loss affected me just by not feeling as confident when I was going out and meeting new people. I hated not feeling good or wanting to pose for the camera. Procedure was actually pretty easy. It wasn't anything crazy. I went to work that day. I watched movies on TV the whole time. It was about as painless as you can get. My life changed when I got my hair back. The investment was very much so worth it. I would specifically recommend Dr. Bolton to others. He's been great to work with, was really nice during the procedure, and all the staff here has been great. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I am a tooth transplant patient here at Dr. Bolton's. Came across Dr. Bolton, met with Josh, and felt like it's something that I needed to do. I can style it with gel when I put anything, conditioner or gel in, but now it's thick. My regular barber was out of town. I just told him, I said, be careful about going, too short. So he couldn't even tell. He was amazed to find out that I had actually had a hair transplant. When people started to see my hair come back, they actually, why did you ever shave your head? Why didn't you grow? You have such a nice thick head of hair. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. I love you, Dr. Bolton. I mean, the whole staff here, everybody. And I'm happy for it. I'm grateful for it.
I first started noticing my hair loss probably about 40, 45. Dr. Bolton, one of the things that was advertised and spoke about was being able to complete the job with one procedure. I was able to leave that night. I got a couple of pain pills. I don't even think I took them. And the next day I was, back to regular. I've gotten a tremendous amount of, hey, what have you done? Have you lost weight? Have you changed your hairstyle? I like your hair like that. I absolutely would. I've seen the progress, dramatic progress over the time when I started. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
In fact, of course, every time you looked in the mirror, you were frustrated because you started to look older than what you were. From everything that I saw, he was the right person to do the job. The results couldn't be any better than what I expected, actually way beyond what I expected. The procedure went fabulous. It could not have gone any better. I didn't have any pain. It just starts to grow in stronger and stronger. Each month just gets better and better, and you start to look exactly the way you're expecting yourself to look. He should be put on a pedestal for his type of work that he does, because it's absolutely phenomenal. He does a fabulous job. I would recommend him to anyone whatsoever.